Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're back at regular booster displays. We are going to be opening a box for YuGiOh crossover breakers. Also, considering the date that we have, yes, sorry, there's no special. Happy holidays to everyone. Some of you might have already had them, depending on which time zone you're in. Hooray! But now it's time to watch an opening with good old Simon. And let's see how disappointed he will be. So, without any break, haha, get it, because the set is called Crossover Breakers. Let's see what we get. And of course we will only talk about the interesting cards at the end, which here is a YuGiOh cross. On to the next one. For those also curious, there will be now 4 of those boxes. As usual, kinda usual. We get a YuGiOh Duo Drive. First Ultra here. There is, of course, yet again, the return of the collector rares here. And of course, we still have a 4th century secret rares. We have a Malice P. Chessy cat. Not cheesy. Let's see what else we have. A Node YuGiOh. On to the next pack. So, as per usual, for those who are interested in this, I'm doing the right side of the box first. We have a Malice P. Dormouse. On to the next pack we go. With a Malice Q Red Ransom. On to the next pack. With a Malice Q White Binder. Not 2 at once. No dual wielding yet. A Malice C TB11. On to the next pack. We have a Malice in Underground. That's a hit. Ka-ching. I'm pretty sure. Watch me swallow my words. And we have a Kyoto Ryuge Kaiwa. Lovely. On to the next one. Where we have an Evil Swarm Exiton Knight. On to the next one. With a YuGiOh plug-in. And last one on the right side. We have a Ryuge Rising. And we continue on the left side. Where we have a Malice C TB11. and a YuGiOh Red Ransom, the second one in this box. On to the next pack, where we get a YuGiOh Emva, next pack, where we get our third YuGiOh Red Ransom. And a YuGiOh Warzone. On to the next one, with a YuGiOh Realm Sea Spires. 5 packs left to go. Let's see what else we get. A YuGiOh Hard Scripter. Lovely art. Lovely card. 4th to last pack. And we get a P. Dormas. On to the next one. There we get another YuGiOh Kaiwa. 2nd to last pack. Let's see what we get. A Genro YuGiOh Hakwa. And last pack, Magic. Come on. Something. And it's number 4 for YuGiOh Red Ransom. Well, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your time. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.